become an IAS officer. Thank you.
Beyond the classroom, our guiding community offers a myriad of opportunity for the students to explore the passion, to develop leadership skills and make lifelong friendships.
In the overall development of our children. That's why our motto that we create unlimited opportunities for our children. That is the motto of the school, which itself indicates how much we dedicated for the development of our children. That's why I invite all the parents to visit our campus, and you have to feel what type of curriculum, what type of activities, what type of infrastructure that we are providing to our children.